Are you living in the UAE and stuck in a 9-to-5 job? What if I told you, for just $1 a month, you could start your own Shopify business from your mobile, after work, and with just a little effort, you could earn up to 5,000 dirhams a month in part-time income. Sounds crazy? It's not. Let me show you how. Every day after 5 p.m., most people waste hours watching Instagram Reels or scrolling Facebook. You go to work, come home tired, and repeat the cycle, with no real financial growth. But what if you use just 1 hour a day to build something that actually makes you money? Shopify is an online store platform where you can sell anything without owning inventory. And right now, Shopify is offering a $1 a month plan to get started. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to be a business genius. I'll show you how to launch your store in under 3 minutes, step by step. And yes, you can manage your business directly from your mobile, even during your office coffee break. Since your store is live, I'll teach you how to find winning products, promote them on TikTok and Instagram, and start making sales. Many beginners are earning 2,000 to 5,000 dirhams per month, working part-time. And the best part, it runs even while you sleep. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and start building your future, subscribe now and watch the full tutorial. Your journey to earning online from the UAE begins today. Let's build your Shopify store together.